Okay, welcome back to my channel. We will explain about the specific access in the Excel 2016. Now, we will explain the ribbon. Yesterday, we ever explained about ribbon. Ribbon consists the all command what you need, and for doing the general task in Excel. Okay, this is the ribbon. Any tab, okay, tab file, okay, tab home. This is the group of ribbon for the tab home. This is the insert. Many command in the insert tabs. Okay, every tab Excel 2016 use the ribbon tab system, not traditional menu. Okay, the ribbon consists many tabs, and each tab have a common many common group. Okay, you can use this tab for doing the task or the general task in Excel. Okay, this is, you can see the tab of ribbon have many command. Every tab have many command for doing the task for user, and then every group of ribbon tab have the arrow for more common. Okay, if you click this one, show on your screen many common like this, right? This is the next from the print setup. You can see the page, margin, header and footer, sheet. Okay, like this. Okay, if you cannot use this is for, so click cancel. Okay, you can organize any ribbon what you want to show to your interface Excel 2016. You can select the ribbon display option. Okay, this is the ribbon display option. You can select the auto hide the ribbon, click at the top of the application to show it. Okay, and this is the show tabs, show ribbon task of tabs only. Click a tab to show the command, and this is show tab and command. So we can try this one. Okay, like this. So this is the screen of auto hide. Okay, click again for the back show tab. Okay, like this. This is the symbol of the screen. Is what you see on. Okay, if you want to use the tab of ribbon, so click home. So show on your screen the command of tab homes and other. If you select this one, so you can this one, okay? So you can, like first time you open the Excel, okay? But for specific program like Adobe Acrobat Reader, you can install as a edit tab on the ribbon. This tab you can call edit in. Where is edit in? Okay, view. Okay, this one is my edit in. Okay, you can edit in, you can add other software in this Excel. Alright. Okay, this is to explain about the ribbon access in the Excel 2016. Don't forget subscribe this channel and activate the bell notification for more videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.